Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about how to download and install Apache Tomcat on Windows machine. Go to browser and type Apache Tomcat 9 download. Then click the link. Then scroll down and click the Windows Service Installer. Once the download is completed, go to the respective folder and double click the software. Then click Next. I already used for 8080 in some other project, so I changed for default port as 8080 to 8085. And if we need for any username and password for Tomcat, we can set. Otherwise, we can go for next. We need for the JRE for installing for Apache Tomcat. Installation is completed. It is asked for run Apache Tomcat. Then we are going to give for finish. Once the finish is, then it will automatically start for the service. Go to browser and check it's working or not. Type localhost colon 8085 as a port number. Wow, it successfully it's completed. It's running. It's running on 8085 port number. And we are going to save for where it's installed. It's installed on SQL program files, Apache Software Foundation, and Tomcat 9. Then in bin folder, its start file is there, and in lib folder we have for all the jar files, like if you are going to use for JSP or servlet, all the jar files are available in lib folder. Thank you for watching.